What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to download music on your iPhone so you can enjoy your favorite tunes even when you're offline. There are multiple methods available, and I'm going to walk you through a few popular ones so you can choose the best option for your needs. One simple way is to use the built-in music app on your iPhone if you subscribe to Apple Music. When you sign up for Apple Music, you can take advantage of a 1-month free trial, which allows you to download any song, album or playlist for offline listening. Once you've signed up, simply open the music app, search for the track you love and tap the download icon next to each song you want to save. Keep in mind that after your free trial ends, you will need to pay a monthly subscription fee to continue enjoying offline downloads. Another method to download music is to use your iPhone's browser to access websites that offer royalty-free music. For example, you can open Safari or Chrome and visit sites like Pixabay or Mixkit, where you can search for royalty-free songs. When you find a track you like, tap the download button and you will see a progress bar that indicates the file is being downloaded. Once the download is complete, a banner will appear at the bottom of your screen prompting you to save the file. At that point, tap Save and choose an app, such as the Files app, where you can store the audio file for offline listening. This method is useful if you need music that you can use freely without any subscription commitments. A third option is to use a popular third-party app like Spotify. With Spotify, you can stream millions of tracks, and if you upgrade to Spotify Premium, you gain the ability to download your playlists and albums for offline playback. To get started, open the Spotify app on your iPhone and log into your account. If you're new to Spotify, you might be able to enjoy a free trial of Spotify Premium for a month before you commit to a subscription. Once you're logged in, navigate to the playlist or album you want to download and toggle the download switch. Your selected tracks will then be stored on your device so you can listen to them anytime without an internet connection. If downloads are not enabled on your Spotify account, then tap your profile icon at the top left and then select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Data Saving and Offline and enable offline access. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.